Hi guys, how are you doing? I hope you are well, blessed and kept of the Lord. And guys, it's that time again of making amazing recipes. If you are new here, karibu sana. If you are a returning subscriber, then you are the best. So guys, let's make this quick fix vegetable curry. And these are the vegetables, or rather what we are going to be using. I have some peas, some carrots, some green and yellow bell pepper. If you have the red one, add it. Some tomatoes, coriander or dania. I have cut the stems and the dania leaves separately. Lots and lots of onions, and we are going to be using some turmeric, garam masala, paprika, and thick yogurt. Plain yogurt, and then we're also going to be needing some garlic and ginger. And so guys, that's all we'll be needing to make this yummy quick fix. So as usual, we are going to start off with frying our onion and the sizzle, guys, the sizzle. Once we've cooked our onions until they are golden brown, at this point we're going to add in our garlic and ginger. Give it a nice stir and then add your tomatoes, and that is something you won't see me doing, but once everything is well incorporated, just add your tomatoes and there you go, guys. So at this stage we are going to be adding our dania stems. So once you've added them in there, they're going to give your meal a lot of flavor, which is what we are always going for. So a few minutes later, guys, everything is starting to just come together and look so yummy and look so amazing. And this is where I'm going to be adding my spices. Any other spices that you like, please add them, but I would really advise that you maintain exactly what I'm using if you want to get the exact results that I did. And then you're going to add some salt and give that a nice stir, and then leave it for a few seconds to just cook and let the spices cook down. Now you can add some tomato paste, but I saw no need to, but if you want, you can go ahead. Then we're going to add our thick yogurt, and then in the yogurt container I added some water and added it in this. Once you've mixed and everything is well incorporated, let's just cover it and let it simmer. You know, you're just going to let it simmer for a while. So guys, that is exactly what you're going for. Everything is just cooking, yani mlo unatokota, guys. So at this point you're going to add in carrots and all your veggies, and then the carrots I had boiled them for a few seconds because I don't like them extremely crunchy, but if that's how you like it, then don't boil the carrots. Just give it a nice stir, and guys, just like that we are done. We just covered it for a few seconds and then that's it. This vegetable curry, do not overcook it because your veggies are going to cook down and it's not going to look so good. So kindly don't overcook your veggies. Put them in there. 2 minutes later, everything should be well and good. And guys, anytime you see us adding coriander, that just generally means that our meal is done. So guys, that's it, and this is how it turned out. It was so yummy, it was amazing. Please don't be fixed on using the exact veggies that I have used. Play around with what you like, but expect the results to be grand, guys. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for watching until the end. Thank you for always coming back. Please, if you've not subscribed, kindly do so. Like this video, give it a huge thumbs up, and kindly comment down below. It helps my channel grow. But that's it, guys. We are all about making yummy meals. So guys, see you in our next video. Guys, stay blessed and bye. So guys, that is exactly what you're going for. Everything is just cooking, yani mlo unatokota, guys. So at this point